Last year I planted about 1,000 cloves of garlic, and this is the result. I have to share a bunch of them with other people and also save some for the seeds, especially the big one like this, and so that I can plant them during the fall. A few of them got waterlogs, but it was not a huge damage. I can still eat them fresh, and I'm surprised they did really well because all I did last year was cover 2 to 3 inch with wood chips and add a little bit of chicken manure around them. They were also a store-bought. We got them from Costco, and we do not know if they're gonna be hard neck or soft neck. So apparently you see the one that has a purple skin, they are a hard neck. This is the bag, and it's grown in USA, and I don't know the company of it, but I'm surprised that they produce a really good quality for the next generations. I heard it's a bad idea to grow store-bought garlic, but not so bad. I was curious at first, but the result is really surprising for me. I think it's because the garlic is already grown in USA. It's not bleached or anything like that, so that can make a lot of difference. I could go on with so many reasons, but the garlic that I bought are from Costco, grown in USA. I wanted to plant some elephant garlic this year, but the company that we wanted to order from, it's out of order, and we'll see if we can find it anywhere else. Finally, here we have a soft neck garlic, and you can see the cloves in the middle are smaller. See the small one? That we're not gonna be planting the small one, we're just gonna cook them. And I'm pretty surprised that all the hard neck garlic has a huge cloves compared to the soft neck garlic. This was the biggest soft neck garlic that I had. It's so fun opening them. As you can see, it still has a small tiny cloves. The total of the garlic cloves that I have right now is 200. I'll have to pull up some of the mint, it's taken over, and cover them with wood chips, about 2 inch. And this is where we're planting the garlic. This is the garlic from last year's. As you can see, I left some of the small cloves behind, and now they are coming out, and it's September 25th. It's getting to like 50s Fahrenheit, and even the onions are coming out. And this place is in zone 7. This is another empty bed that I will be planting garlic in. Last year I planted a lot of garlic where the hibiscus are behind the green onions. Because of the waterlogs, some of the garlic outer shelves were damaged. The bed where I'll be planting the garlic is more elevated, so I think they'll be fine. When they're about 2 to 3 inches tall, I'll cover them with wood chips. You could cover them with wood chips now, but I did not have the time for the other bed. Garlic hates waterlog, so just make sure not to plant them there. So with the bed that has wood chips, I make sure that I don't cover them with the wood chips right away, because I want them to poke out at least 3 to 4 inch. When they are 3 to 4 inch tall, then I will cover the base with wood chips. Last year I also planted garlic in the end of October, beginning of November, and they did fine also. I just have to harvest it around July instead of June or May. The earlier one, like I'm planting right now, I also harvest the greens, just cut them off from the base. And they will grow back, but the cloves will be smaller. The green garlic are milder and sweeter. They remind me of leeks. Expose the soil right there. Expose the soil like that. And get a clove. Just push it in. Just like that. And leave it covered. Don't do it. Here's another garlic that is already 5 inches tall. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated.